voice the sentiment of the people, sir. So I think it will be better if you allow me to submit a few submissions. Sir, if we go according to the Rule 28 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in this August House, it speaks about the language of the Assembly. And here it speaks out very clearly that the business of the Assembly shall be transacted in English. So through you, sir, may I inform the Governor that Meghalaya is not a Hindi-speaking state. I would also like to remind each one of us that the people and the leaders of the state decided to part ways with Assam because the Assam government tried to impose Assamese as an official language. So, sir, I feel that we should not allow this to become a tradition in this August House, sir. Sir, the government of India did not pay any heed to the demand of the state for inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, thereby depriving us in various ways. So, sir, I want to appeal to you, sir, that the governor should address to us in the language we understand, sir. I don't want that we will proceed. We have to start shouting slogan if the governor continue to address us in Hindi, sir.
I will allow this house to, the governor will be addressing in Hindi, so I think we should let him.
Strong exception to this, and we strongly condemn. We strongly condemn. This is against the sentiment of the people of the state, sir.
Mr.
As
Speaker,
a party, we truly represent the voice of the people, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
This is where I think on this issue,
I request the honourable member.
Just let me complete. On this issue, I feel there should be no opposition, no ruling. We should stand united as one.
All the members are requested.
So I hear because of the toil and sweat of the people and the leaders of the state.
When the chair is
We
on
just
his
not
feet,
get the state
when the
simple
chair
as
is
that,
on his
sir.
feet, all the members are requested to sit down. When the chair is on his feet, nobody else stands.
आप सभी परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाने और सदन की गरिमा को बनाए रखने का आग्रह करता हूँ। राज्य के सभी क्षेत्रों में सामाजिक आर्थिक विकास के संवैधानिक मैंडेट के अनुसार सरकार बेहतर शासन के माध्यम से राज्य की बहुमुखी प्रगत लोगों के जीवन स्तर
Government of India to impose on us the language.
कर रही है।
We will not allow this. Down, down. We condemn the governor. We condemn the governor for addressing us in the language we don't understand.
This is not the behavior
It
that
is
is expected
shame.
of an elected member.
Oh,
Mr. Speaker, sir, this is not the
we
behavior
will not
expected
allow.
of the elected member.
Either you
The
throw us
honourable
out.
Speaker, the honourable
Either
governor
you
is
throw us out
addressing
or
the
you
house.
stop the governor.
The honourable
No, we are
governor is
not
addressing the
misbehaving.
house.
We are
This is
truly
not the
representing
kind
the
of-
voice of the people of the state.
This is not